This is the V-Guard Inline Circulating Pump, meant for low pressure in washing machines, dishwashers, and general taps which are having very low pressure. This V-Guard comes with a user manual and warranty card. It has a 12-month warranty, as you can see here. So these are the specifications. It's a 230 volt single phase pump, 250 watt pump, and it can operate in cold water. It can operate up to 90° in hot water also, but it is recommended to fix in the cold water circuit while fixing in the geyser lines. This is the orientation of the fixing. Can be fixed vertical or horizontal, but while fixing horizontally it should not be in a vertical position, it should be in a sleeping position. This is the typical circuit for this is a siphon line where the water is getting pulled up and then delivered, and this is a geyser line where the pump is fixed in the cold water circuit. This is the actual pump. You can see it has a manual, auto and off mode. In auto mode, whenever you on a tap, this is the switch, 3 positions, off, auto and manual. So when it's in auto mode, whenever a washing machine switch is on or a tap is turned on, the pump will switch on automatically. And in manual mode, it will run continuously if you put it in manual mode. Here you can see the direction of water flow marked by the arrow, marked on both the sides. So make sure the water flow direction is marked properly and it is aligned correctly. To fix this pump, we have a heavy duty clamp. Mark the position so that it is, this is approximately 4.5 centimeters from the center of the line, the bottom of the base. Fix this clamp to the wall where we have marked it. We are using this DeWalt cordless drill. It's a brushless 20 volt or 18 volt drill. It's called a 20 volt max drill or an 80 volt drill. The model number is DCH263. It is a 3 mode 26 mm hammer from DeWalt. It has a 2-year warranty. It's very nice and sturdy. Let's see how it works. So here we have 3 modes. One is a hammer mode, where the drill will run only in an impact mode. There will be no rotation. One is a hammer drilling mode, where you will get the impact and rotation. And one is just the drill mode. It's just a drill mode where it has no impact. So we will be using the hammer drilling mode. Let's see how it works. Works as good as an electric one, the corded one, the AC machine. This DC machine is equally powerful. We used a 10 mm drill and drilled 4 holes. You could see how fast it was. Now let's go for the installation. First we'll hammer some wooden plugs. We're taking some heavy duty nails, normal MS nails with a fat head and a fat shank. Yeah, we had very low water pressure before the installation. Now we'll set the pump in auto mode. Now when we switch on the tap, we'll see much better water pressure. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Thank you.